Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my calamansi loaf cake recipe. For the ingredients, we need 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup sour milk, 10 pieces calamansi, 1 cup granulated white sugar, and 2 pieces eggs. And also 1/2 cup unsalted butter. For the glaze later, we need 3 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon confectioner or powdered sugar, and another 3 pieces calamansi. In your mixer, use paddle attachment and then let's cream the butter and the sugar. Yan. Kailangan malambot na si butter ha. If you don't have mixer, you can use wooden spoon. Cream your butter and your sugar. Once cream na siya, add natin later si eggs. Now, while creaming si butter, pwede na natin i-mix si dry ingredients. Yung harina, the flour, baking powder, soda, and your salt. So, let's add the egg one at a time. Pamix mo muna yung isa bago natin hulog yung isa. Don't forget to scrape the sides. Kasi yung iba hindi abot ng mixer. Yung pinakailalim. After the eggs, i-alternate natin lagay si flour mixture and your sour milk. Okay? But, off muna natin, lagay muna natin, or i-zest muna natin yung calamansi. Okay, this is around 10 pieces calamansi. Zest mo talaga siya isa-isa. Mas mura si calamansi compared kay lemon, so you can try this recipe. Especially here in Mindanao, mura yung calamansi na. Kunin natin yung juice na calamansi. Okay, mix na natin siya kay sour milk. After nito, once okay na si calamansi juice, lagay na natin si flour mixture. Okay? Flour muna, then hulog natin si sour milk. Then, flour ulit. Do not overmix your mixture. Use your hand na para ma-mix yung ilalim. Ang bango. Bango ng calamansi. Then, I have here mini loaf pans. Yan. Aluminum loaf pan na to para ready to benta if you want to sell it. Or ready pamigay if you want it for regalo. Divide natin to into 5. Then, let's bake this one around 20 minutes at 340 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Yan. Bake na yung calamansi loaf cake natin. Okay? Then, while mainit or warm pa siya, let's mix na the glaze. Pwede natin siya i-brush or you can use spoon. Pwede mo siya i-brush twice para mas sumipsip yung milk. Milk tsaka calamansi glaze. There you go, our calamansi loaf cake. For the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!